Hello replay viewers, just trying to find a new location. Hopefully there'll be some signal. I haven't filmed here before. Hello Spoonie. Give me some feedback on the quality. Just a new location. Hopefully it'll be okay. Just surrounded by birds at the minute. Right, let's have a quick walk around and just see how we go with the signal. We'll try to go around this water. We're at Westport Lake now. The sun's come out today in the UK, so just found a new place to scope. If it doesn't work, I'll just go follow me on YouTube and I'll just record it on my phone and put it on YouTube under Jace the Who on YouTube to see how the signal goes. What's that?
That was a bloody rat.
Oh, that was good. I just sort of, a rat's just gone past me. Great. Hello, hen. Just trying a new location. Hopefully the quality's okay. Also, just film it on my phone if it doesn't. If it cuts out, I'll just put it on YouTube. On Jace the Who on YouTube. Just getting frustrating, all this quality issues. Hang on, where's that? Hi, hen. Is the quality okay? Give me a bit of feedback. I don't know if it'll get better or worse. I'm just going around a new location, see how it goes. Just tell me if the signal's watchable. I forgot this location. It's near to where I live. I forgot this one. There's loads of birds here. Way up. Oh. Can I help you? Can I help you? I haven't got any food. It's better than the other day. I started trying it and then do it on YouTube because I think I can do it in HD on YouTube. So, but I'm working on trying to do Periscope in HD once I find some places where there's the signal's clear enough. There's lots of birds at this one. If you just share it with your followers, try and get some people in. There's 2 lakes to this place. This is the small one. I'm just going around the small one, see what the quality's like, and then there is a larger one over there in the distance. It's about 2 miles radius, so I'll just show you the other water. There's 2 little lakes. That was a small one. And I think I should have good reception here because there's nothing stopping it. That's the other lake. That's the big lake. There's just two, a big lake and a small one. There's a big visitor centre there. Yeah, it's a big visitor centre that looks like a boat. But it's not open yet. They've got like a cafe in there and toilets. It's not open yet. Yeah, this is Westport Lake if you want to look up more information about it. It's been here about 40-50 years, I think. It's like man-made, I think this is. There's some birds here wanting some food. Hello, Julian. I've got my duck and swan food. There's loads of birds about, as you can see. Lots of Canada geese. Lots of Canada geese. I forgot to come here with my scoping. I've been doing it for a month. I never thought about this place, so we'll just have to give me some give me some feedback on the quality, then I'll have to have a look myself when I get back. A few places I've been trying to... Hello Julian. Found a new place for scoping. Hopefully the quality's okay. I haven't been here before scoping, so... There's two little pieces of water. I'll walk around the small one, then if the quality's okay, I'll try the big one. All the birds start following you now, because we've got a few treats. There's a lot of nice bird sound, so I'll try and keep it a quiet scope unless you want to ask me anything. Should have a lot of nice... you wouldn't believe how quiet it is around here. Yeah, you wouldn't believe how quiet... I'm getting to where there's a few trees in a minute, so I don't know if it'll affect the reception. I'm going through the trees now. But how quiet it is here, you wouldn't believe. About like 5 minutes walk there is the main railway line that goes to Manchester and London. And as I'm talking, you might hear it come through. You might go past and you might hear a train. Just behind them trees in front of me is a train line. But, it's amazing how quiet it is. I'll just go around this little lake and see if the quality stays up for the little lake, and then I'll have to try the big lake. There's lots of birds about. The sun's come out, so... Thanks for the heart. Just keep trying to find different places. Usually get attacked by the birds if you've got too much food. I've only got a little bit of bird food, but I've got the proper duck and swan food, but it's so weird. They like come, if you have a bird phobia, I think you wouldn't like it here, because they all come to you because they know you've got food. Going through a bit of a treed area, so hopefully the reception will stay. If I get cut off, I'll try and restart the scope. Stay with me. I haven't been here before, so we'll see what the scope's like. Hopefully I'll have a peaceful scope. When you first come here, you think, well, it's so quiet, and then there's a train line about like 50 yards away. You don't think all this was man-made? Yeah, it's been okay. Just obviously trying to scope every day if the weather's better. It's a bit sort of awkward to scope in the bad weather. The sun's come out today, but we're all coping the best we can in the current situation, aren't we? So I thought that's why I started scoping. It was just giving me something to do. Just try and share things where I live. Give me something to focus on. So we'll just... But when you scope a new place, I'll be glad when the quality's okay, then I can come here again, because I don't want to keep scoping where the quality goes. We're out of the trees now. Got some nice bird sound. I'll be quiet if I see any bird sounds. Yeah, I'll just read the comments. I've got some bird sound. It's just trying to time it coming round when it's not too busy. so you can scope in peace. Oh, I think that bird's stuck. Oh, he isn't, he was just stuck. There's a pigeon stuck on that branch then. Let's go feed the birds. Tuppence a bag. There's a few places where you see a lot of birds. They all come to you. You can see them how they all come to you when they see a human. They all come to you. Hey up, keep back a minute. They'll come at you like vultures. They'll come to you anyway if you sit on this seat. You just sit on this seat a minute. Oh! Yeah, we can have a sit down while we're feeding the birds now. They get very confident with the humans. I really like Dr. Dolittle. Hey up. Hey up. They're a bit intimidating when you sit down. Don't bite me. Yeah, they get a bit too confident, these ones do. They come running after you. I'll save some of my food because if I go around the bigger lake, I'll just save it. I haven't got much food left. This is the type of thing you see anyway, Westport Lake. It's well worth a visit when the the visitor centre's open. I don't think it's open yet. Yeah, I think the reception's still okay. Still got a picture. But sometimes it freezes and I think that's just the app, I think, or the phone's overheating. I think it's the reception when the picture freezes. Sometimes freezes and I think that's the app, I think. Thanks for the hearts, Julian. How are you doing today? Got some unusual nice weather in the UK today. Some blue sky. Birds are following us now, they know we've got food. They're going to follow us all the way around now. So when I get enough followers, I'll invest in one of those gimbals what Adam uses, you know, so it's all smooth. But I'm just using a tripod at the minute, but I'll invest in a gimbal if I get enough sort of watches in the scopes to make it a bit clearer. I don't know if it's off-putting, this sort of joggling, you know, when you're walking with your phone. Oh, can you hear a train? It's just coming past now. Can you hear it? It's very faint. Just hear a train going past. If I time it right, we should be able to see a train, because you can walk right up to the train line. There's like a metal fence. Try and catch it coming past the main Manchester to London train. But I've done that trick again of starting the scope and not realising what time it was. Does anybody know how long it's been going? Try and time it for me battery. I'll see how the signal goes and then I can go around that other one if you've had enough now. Still working. My delivery has arrived, catch you later, okay? Hen's been in, who watches Adam. How long's that took? About 15 minutes. I'll just try and time how long I'm scoping for. There's a board here telling us what Westport Lake looks like. Let's have a look. These are all the birds we can get around Westport Lake. There we go. That's the small lake we've just gone past. You see the difference in the size. That's the big one. That's a small one. We just walked around there, so I don't know if the reception will be okay all the way around the big one. These are all the birds that you can see. See if I can make out all this right. These are all the different types of animals. Right. It's a playground for bringing the kids as well, big car park. The reception's been okay. I've just managed around go around that little one. The little lake, the reception seems to be holding up. But it's hard to tell from my end. It just seems like the picture hasn't locked up anyway. So, oh, some flowers here. What's happened here? If somebody's passed away, there's all flowers here. Unusual. All flowers. What's happened there?
What does it say?
Yeah. There's no cards on them, so I don't know. There's no cards on. I don't know what's happened.
Where is it for that?
Yeah, I just finished the scope at the and the small piece of water, and then I'll check the quality. Then I'll go around the bigger lake if anybody wants to join me on the bigger lake. You're still with me, Julian? I'll just finish the scope there and just check the quality, then I might go around the big lake. So there's only you watching, I think, so just try and do it when there's a bit of a big crowd in. But, just get me 2 regulars in. That's the small lake done now, so quality's okay, good. Yeah, are you still watching? It just says 0 people are watching. Are you still here? Your count says 0. I'll just restart the scope as it'll be on. It'll probably take me like an hour walk around, about half an hour walk around this bigger lake. So. Just restart the scope, I think. I lost my little flame in my username here. Okay. Right, I'll just finish the scope here and I'll restart it, go around the main lake and just check the quality. See you on the next scope.